Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate from cocoa beans. Begin by roasting cocoa beans evenly, cracking shells, and winnowing to collect nibs. Grind nibs into a paste, add sugar and cocoa butter, and refine texture until smooth. Temper the chocolate by controlled cooling and reheating to stabilize shine and snap. Pour into molds, cool fully, then enjoy homemade chocolate with simple, natural ingredients. Store in a cool place for best results. Roast beans slowly to develop flavor, watching for even browning and aroma. Cool beans slightly before cracking and winnowing to separate shells from nibs. Use a grinder or stone mill to turn nibs into a thick hot liquor and gradually add cocoa butter and sugar. Keep refining until smooth, then test texture and sweetness. Small batches are forgiving and allow adjustments to create the chocolate you prefer. Enjoy the process and learn each batch. Refine chocolate by grinding longer and using heat to reduce particle size and bitterness. Monitor viscosity and add small amounts of cocoa butter to reach a silky mouthfeel. Temper chocolate on a cool surface by heating, cooling, and gently reheating to set crystalline structure properly. Test a small piece for shine and snap, then adjust if needed. Patience and small tweaks yield consistent, glossy chocolate with balanced flavor. Take notes on each batch for better results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.